Hi friends, and welcome to another video production by Mr. Carico and Radar. Alright, so you are in my calculator. You have done the addition part of your calculator. Now it's time for the subtraction aspect of your calculator. I'm going to show you what you're going to do in excuse me, my calculator. Alright, you will click on the subtraction tab. And now I need to go into mine so I don't actually do it for you. The parts of a subtraction problem. The first thing is the number that you're going to take away from is called the minuend. So we'll put a title in A1. We're going to do a subtraction symbol here. Now the way we have to do that is we have to press the apostrophe first, right, which is right next to your enter key. Then you are going to press the subtraction key, which is on the top row of your keyboard, by your backspace. Alright. Then you press tab. The other parts, you've got your minuend, which is what you're going to take away from. Your subtrahend, wow, that's a tricky word. Let's say it again. Subtrahend. Say it with me. Subtrahend is what the amount that you will take away. In column D, in cell D1, you need an equal sign, so we do that apostrophe first, okay? Then we do the equal sign, which is right next to your backspace key. And finally, when you do a subtraction problem, you get a difference. So we're going to put difference up here. Okay, now it's time for the good stuff. Here we go. We want our difference to appear here, so I'm going to go into E2, and I'm going to press the equal sign, which is right next to the backspace. Okay, and it's saying, what? What are you going to do? I'm going to take the value that I put in A2, okay, we can see it, and I'm going to subtract. Your minus button is on the top row of your keyboard, right next to your backspace. Minus what? The value that goes in C2. Okay? And I press enter. That's it. Now I've got a formula. Let's see if it works. 4. Take away 0 should be 4. 4. Take away 1 should be 3. Oh my goodness. Hold on, announcement. I'm making this video at school. Alright. Now, I do like to have my stuff in the middle, so I left, press and hold, make A, B, C, D in blue. And I am going to center align them, because you can see my words right now are aligned to the left. So I come over to the 3 dots, click on more. I come down to this, horizontal alignment. I click on it. I don't want it on the right, or if I do it on the right, see how everything moves to the right? If I do the middle, or the center, everybody moves to the center. If I move to the right, everybody moves to the right. I like center, so I'm going to go to center. And then I click over here to make it, see how everybody's blue? I click over here to make one cell white. Now, I want this smaller, so watch what I do. Click on B, come over until I get the double arrow. See it? And I drag to make it smaller. I want to make this smaller. So I click on D, then I come over, see how my hand turns into the arrow, and I drag it over to make it smaller. Now I also want to get this minus sign down here, so the easiest way for me to do that is I click on it, then I click on the box and I drag down and let go. Press and hold. Equal, same thing. Click on it one time to make it blue, come over to the box, press and hold, bring it down. Now you have successfully made my calculator subtraction tab. Awesome. Well done.